The Custody Exchange Activity Center is where you enter events that don't change who has custody, like practices and playdates. It shows your custody calendar in the background so you know instantly whose parenting time an activity falls during. If you have multiple calendars, whichever one is open in the Calendars tab is the one that appears behind your activities. To add an activity, click New Activity or in a time slot. The more information you enter, the better. When you give your co-parent or child access, it'll mean fewer questions for them to ask you. By clicking More Options, I can set an activity to recur, and I can set a reminder. You can change this default amount of time in your account settings. That's also where you choose whether to get reminded by email or by a push notification to your device. I'll just hit Save, and my activity is ready. I can change whose activities appear by selecting or deselecting children here. Here's where I change the color that represents each child, as well as the color for activities that include multiple kids. Anyone you link Custody Exchange accounts with can view and edit your activity center. You'll get a notification when they make changes. To send your activity information to another calendar, like a Google Calendar, visit your account settings. In Activities Live Sync, choose which children's activities to send, and click Add. You'll copy this link into the external calendar. Follow that calendar's directions. The sync will refresh every day, so whoever you send the link to will see updates in their calendar and won't need to check Custody Exchange unless they want to add or edit activities. Now you should be ready to use the Activity Center as your day-to-day planner. If you have questions, visit custodyexchange.com/help or contact us in the app.